How to fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat, or how to set your camera roll to be backed up on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Now, it's quite simple and the process is quite easy, so let me guide you through. All you have to do is first open up the Snapchat app. You'll get an interface like this. Now here what you want to do is tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can see there, and once on profile, what you want to do is tap on the gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. That you'll find just beside the share icon or along with the share icon. You can see the gear icon, simply tap on it. Here scroll down until you find the option memories. Now here under privacy control, you can see below family center and above lens is the option memories. Simply tap on that memories option right there, and here the first thing what you'll need to do is you'll have to enable this option smart backup. Make sure to tick mark it and make sure it's enabled. You can see memories may back up over mobile data when Wi-Fi is unavailable. And the other what you want to do is tap on save button, and here what you want to do is you want to select the option not only memories, not only to camera roll only, but you want to select it to memories and a camera roll, so this way it will be backed up on both your camera roll as well as your memories. So head back, and here what you can do is you can auto save your stories to set it to auto save it to memories. So once you do this, it'll be fixed. So this way you can fix camera roll isn't backed up by Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.